All right, I got Gabe here with me, and we're gonna be making
Disinfectant wipes.
disinfectant wipes. So if you're having a hard time finding Lysol or Clorox wipes, or you're looking for a safer alternative that doesn't have all those harmful side effects I just shared, this is a great option. So here's what you need. You need a roll of paper towels. This is actually enough to make two because we're gonna cut this in half. You also need a container to put it in. We love the old protein canisters. They're perfect fit. And then you need a bottle to put your water in, and then basic G. You're actually gonna get G plus, which is available now with all those great benefits. All right, Gabe's gonna cut it for you. Go ahead, buddy. Straight down. Make sure we're doing it straight down. Got it? Use those muscles. So cut your roll of paper towel in half, and then we'll add all the other stuff after we stuff it in our can. Okay, so now you have your roll cut in half. It should look like this. It's super fun. Then you're gonna shove it into your canister. If it's too big, then just take some of the paper towel off. And I'm gonna fast forward here and shove this in. Okay, so we've got it in there, and I'll show you what we're gonna do now. We're gonna add to our water, we're gonna add our half a teaspoon of basic G. We're gonna spin that around. If we were to use this around the house, we just put this in. Otherwise, we're just gonna pour it right over in the container here. Okay, so after it's soaked for just a little bit, all you do is you pull out the center and you just toss it, and then you find the center one and pull it up, and you're good to go. This actually kills germs and bacteria and viruses on surfaces much longer than bleach or Lysol, and it's more effective and safer.